Hello traders and future traders. Um, Today's topic is going to be about divergent. Um, Divergence could be on any time frame, right? For it can use for a long-term trade, depending if you do analysis correct, and it can also apply for scalp trades, right? You can use indicators such as the stochastic and RSI to look for divergence, right? What is divergence? Divergence is when your chart and your indicator is not corresponding in the same direction. So, for example, one is going up and the other is going down. So for example, let me show you an example here. So we do have the trend line. This is saying it's going up. We are in an uptrend, right? And the other, which is the indicator, it's saying that it's heading down. All right, let me see here. Right, so it's saying that it's heading down. So could I use divergence into my trading strategy? All right, could I apply divergence to my trading strategy? Um, yes, you sure can apply divergence to your trading strategy. So as you can see, the indicator is pointing. Let me see if I can get an arrow. Not sure. Here. Right, so the indicator is pointing down, and the charts, the candlesticks are pointing upwards, right? So for example, how do I enter for a quick scalp, right? So let's say, for example, you are looking at your chart and you're looking at your RSI. You need at least confirmation of 3 touches above or below, depending on the direction of your indicator to your charts, right? So what I did in this area here, right, I saw that price came back up to my arrow, and I said, okay, I did a quick scalp. You can see it here, right? Let me get a line, horizontal line. I'm going to place it so here. So I saw in this area here that I had it came back up and it's going down. So where would have been my exit? In this area here. And then I did it again when I saw price came back up to my line, and my exit would have been in this area here. So it went down and I made a quick profits, right? This is my quick scalping strategy used with divergent in the forex market, and it works well with if the market's in a range as well. Right, so just made this short video to show you guys a little bit about the chart is not corresponding to the indicator, okay, and that is known as divergent. Right, so on another note, the NZD USD it could be selling right now, but I wouldn't be wrong to take a look at this trade. So I am clearly looking at sell opportunities for the NZD because presently right now on the 5 minutes we are in a mini range. Even on the 15 minutes we are in a range, and the 1 hour, the RSI is heading down potentially, but I need some sort of, I'm looking for some sort of selling pressure, right? I'm looking for some sort of selling pressure. So also this was the profits made here with the quick scalp for the RSI just now, right? And I'm doing this with a $3 account, etc. Just doing it with a small account. I like to do small accounts and practice different strategies on my live, right? So I hope this video was helpful in terms of what I just teach, right? So on another note, I believe just now we had I did talk about my economics calendar, the one I use, which is investing.com, in my previous video. So at 8:30 we had some news, and the forecast and the actual. So this was the previous news on January the 28th. They was expecting 4.2 and the actual was 4.1. So the forecast would have been better, and the actual, they got 4.1. So the US dollar, it's looking strong. Right, so it's looking strong. As you can see on the M5, we are in a range, and we might get a next quick scalp once our price on the RSI touches back the line and it came down. Okay, so presently we are in a range. Right, so we are in this box here. Right, you don't want to get trapped in this box, right? Because if you are trapped here, you will be definitely in problems. One, you either always look for buys at the base. You always look for buys at the base, or you always look for sells at the top, right? So you don't want to get trapped in this consolidation. Hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for more videos, guys.